everyone, I Sanya, Faculty of Department MCA from Techni Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on topic operating system. An operating system is a program that acts as an interface between the software and the computer hardware. It is an integrated set of specialized programs used to manage overall resources and operations of the computer. It is a specialized software that controls and monitors the execution of all other programs that reside in the computer, including application, programs, and other system software. Next is types of interface. First one is CLI, that is command line interface, like shown in this diagram. Second one is GUI, that is graphical user interface, like shown in this diagram. Next is operating system architecture. Hardware is the physical element of a computer system. It is the physical parts of a computer such as monitor, mouse, keyboard and computer data, storage, hardware, that is HDD, graphics card, sound cards, memory, motherboard and so on. Explain one by one. First is kernel. The kernel is a computer program that manages input and output requests from software and translates them into data processing instruction for the central processing unit and the other electronic component of a computer. Second one is shell. The shell is an interface for access to an operating system services. In general, operating system shells use either a command line interface or graphical user interface. Third one is user applications. User applications are computer program designed to perform a group of coordinated functions, tasks and activities for the benefit of the user, like shown in this diagram. Next is types of operating system. First one is Unix. Developed by Ken Thomas and Dennis Ritchie, Unix was launched in 1969. It is a CLI, that is command line interface, written in the programming C language. Led to a variety of academic and commercial variants. For example, University of California, Berkeley, Microsoft, IBM and Sun Microsystem, like shown in this diagram. Second one is Windows. Developed by Microsoft, Bill Gates and Paul Allen. Windows was launched in 1985, built on DOS, that is disk operating system, which is also a CLI, that is command line interface, has two modes: user mode, that is the user cannot directly access the hardware, and the kernel mode, that is the user can access the hardware. Runs on computers, tablets, that is Surface, and the integration with Xbox, like shown in this diagram. Third one is Apple. Developed by Apple, Steve Jobs. A Mac operating system was launched in 1984. Mac OS is a native GUI, that is graphical user interface. Mac OS evolved in operating system X, which combined technologies from Mac operating system, Unix and NeXT. Runs on computer and other devices, like shown in this diagram. Fourth one is Linux. Developed by Linus Benedict Torvalds. Linux was launched in 1992. Linux is a CLI, that is command line interface. Torvalds made the code of Linux freely available to everyone on the internet, and therefore lots of people created their own versions of Linux. For example, Debian, Red Hat, SUSE, StackWar, Gentoo, Ubuntu, etc., like shown in this diagram. Next is Android. Developed by Andy Robin, Rich Miner, Nick Seeds and Cherish White. Android was launched in 2013 based on the Linux kernel. Android is a GUI, that is graphical user interface, designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices and as a smartphones and tablets, like shown in this diagram. Next one is iOS. developed by Steve Jobs and Scott Forstall. iOS was launched in 2007 based on the Mac operating system. iOS is a graphical user interface designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as iPhones, iPads, iPods, and Apple TV, like shown in this diagram. I hope you all understand the topic of operating system. Thank you very much.